With PowerScripts, you can use SIL Scripts to process incoming emails and automatically create Jira work items. This video illustrates how to configure this feature. To begin, let's create the SIL script that processes incoming mail. Click Settings, Marketplace Apps, SIL Manager. Create a new file in the appropriate folder. Enter a name for the script, email_create in this example. Then paste the sample script listed on this page into the SIL editor. On the Create Issue line, replace Project Key with your Jira project key. In this example, the project key is TC for Technical Communications Project. Check the script and then save it. Now, let's configure the incoming mail settings. Click Configurations, Integrations, Incoming Mail, and then click Add Configuration. The Setup Incoming Mail configuration page displays. Here, enter your email settings. Use the Protocol dropdown to select either POP3 or IMAP. In this example, we are configuring the feature for a Gmail address, so we'll select IMAP. Next, enter imap.gmail.com in the mail host field. In the port field, specify which port the email server listens on. Note that this field defaults to the appropriate value based on the selected protocol. Then, enter the mailbox that PowerScripts will monitor for new Jira issues. Next, we need to specify the mailbox password. However, this is not the actual Gmail password. Instead, generate an app password for the Gmail account and use that value here. App passwords are available after you enable two-step verification on your Google account. Refer to Google's documentation for the current steps. Next, select the script, email_create, that was created at the beginning of this demonstration. Specify how often the script should check the mailbox, the maximum message size, and whether processed emails are deleted. Test the connection. A success message displays at the top of the page. Now, save the settings. On the incoming mail page, the status column is set to processing. From here, you can pause processing, test the connection, edit the connection, or delete it. When the script identifies a new email, it processes the message and creates a work item. In addition to creating Jira work items, the mail integration feature can route work items to different projects based on customers or keywords. It can extract data from an email and automatically populate work item fields. To summarize, with PowerScripts, incoming emails can be efficiently processed using SIL scripts, providing the flexibility to create and update Jira work items.